comes after 8? What comes after 8? I know. Let's count all these little flowers.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yay! You made it all the way to 10. Like, I'm barely even 2, and I can count to 10.
Good job, Garrison.
No problem. Be gentle with Mommy's book.